Hello friend, today we are going to discuss method overloading in Java. Before we going to start this point, we look at the previous lecture. What is the class? A class is a user defined data type or a prototype or a blueprint from which the objects are created. It represents the set of properties or method that are common to all objects of one type. So, what is an object? Object is an entity that has state and behavior is known as the object. And what is method? Method in a Java is a collection of instruction that perform a specific task. It used to achieve reusability of the code. We write a method once and use it many times in a program. We do not require to write a code again and again. So there is improve the readability of the code and reusability of the code. Now method overloading in Java. If a class has multiple methods having the same name but different in parameters, it is known as the method overloading. If we have to perform only one operation having the same name of the method increases the readability of the program. Suppose you have to perform the addition of given number, but there can be any number of arguments. If you write the method such as a of int for two parameter, suppose we write a function or method a and we pass the two parameter integer. Now suppose we write again the another function which contain the three parameter b int. So then it may be difficult for you as well as other programmers to understand the behavior of the method because its name differs. So we perform the method overloading to figure out the program quickly. So the advantages of method overloading is that method overloading increases the readability of the program. So different way to overload the method. There are two ways to overload the method in a Java: by changing the number of argument and by changing the data type. So in the Java, method overloading is not possible by changing the return type of the method only. So friend, we see the first type, method overloading, changing the number of arguments. So in this example we have created two methods. First add method perform the addition of two numbers and second add method perform the addition of three numbers. So in this example we are creating a static methods so that we don't need to create instance of calling method. So here look at this program. Here we include the class adder and in that adder class we declare two methods, static int add. Here we pass the two argument a and b and we return the value a plus b. Now here in the same function we pass the three argument, integer a, integer b and integer c, and we return the addition of this three parameter a plus b plus c. So it is the static method, so we cannot declare this method before we define that. We directly call in the class. Now here in the test overloading class, in the main method we call that function system.out.println adder.add, and here we pass the argument. Here again in the second statement system.out.println adder.add 11 11 11. So now when we execute this program we have the output. The first statement print the value 22 because it return the addition of two integer a and b. So it give the output 22, and here when the second line is executed it give the output 33. So next is the method overloading, changing the data type of the argument. In this example we have created two method that differs in data type. So the first add method received two integer argument and the second add method received the two double arguments. So friend, now look at this program. Here in the second method we get the static double and we add the add method and we pass the double value to that particular method. So here first method is the addition and it is the type of integer, and second method is the also addition, it is the type of double. It will be written the addition of the two parameters. So now when in the main function adder dot add we pass 11 11, now here adder dot add we pass 12.3 and 12.6. when executing this program we get the output. Here first, when first statement is executed it will be show the 22, and when second statement is executed it will be show the 24.9. so this is the concept of method overloading. Method overloading is nothing but the multiple method having the same name but different in parameter. So it is called as the method overloading. So hope student you have to understand this lecture. Thank you for watching this video.